Welcome, Harry, to Diagon Alley.
Welcome to Diagon Alley, or Victoria Street. It has 2 Harry Potter merchandise stores, The Great Wizard and Museum Context.
Know there all your bits and bobs for doing your wizardry?
Originally, Museum Context used to be a brush shop. It is said that they sold hairbrushes, paint brushes, and broomsticks, and it was open when J.K. Rowling would have been writing the books in the early 1990s.
Gringotts, the Wizard Bank. Take no safer place, not one, except perhaps Hogwarts.
If you're walking down the street in the late afternoon, you may be lucky enough to spot a real blue Ford Anglia flying car. The car owner likes to park his Harry Potter car on this street, and if you do spot the car, look in the back window, you may see Hedwig the owl there as well.